Hello all, welcome to C Programming Learning. In this session, we will understand strings in the C language. Now, strings are defined as a set of characters. The difference between a character array and a string is the string which will terminate with a specified character, that is /0. Now here we can see the initialization of C string is like you have to write down character, the name of the string, and after that you have to give this bracket and then equal to, you can write down your string. In such a way the string will get saved in any memory location. It has one index number that is starts from the 0 and this is your string. This way a string will get saved as a one-dimensional array. So here is one more declaration of string. So declaration of string is as simple as declaring a one-dimensional array. In the above syntax, string name is any name given to the string variable and size is used to define the length of the string, that is the number of characters in the strings that will get stored. Okay, so here there is an extra terminating character which will be needed, that is a null character used to indicate the termination of string which differs from the normal character arrays. Now here in this program we will understand how to illustrate a string in a C program. For that, let's open code blocks and start with an empty file. Now here first of all we will write down #include stdio.h. So this is a simple program for just illustrate one string or declaring one string just to get a clear understanding of how to print a string. So #include stdio.h is a header file. Then start with an integer main function like this, and after that inside that we are going to declare and initialize one string. So we'll see cat space str, then this bracket, open and close bracket, equal to, in alternative commas like this. We can write down, if I want to write down welcome as a string, and then colon. After that we have to print the same string, so we'll use a printf, that is to print that same string. Printf, then %s in a quoted way like this, %s comma str, that is string, colon, and a return value. So return space 0. Now we can see in the above program that strings can be printed using normal printf statements, just like we print any other variable. Unlike arrays, we do not need a print differently with a string way or a character by character we have to write down. We do not need in that way. Now here the C language does not provide any inbuilt data type for a string, but it has an access specifier or placeholder, we can say, that is a %s, which can directly use to print any string or read any string. So this way we can start up to illustrating or printing any string. After that we'll just save this as tr.c. .c is an most important extension, and then we'll simply build this program. After building, just run it. You can see your string is being printed on the screen. So we do not need to write printf everything like here, but we have to just simply write down %s comma str, that is string. So it will take out the same value which is declared over here in a string illustration format. I hope you understood the basic idea to how to print a small string in C program. Thank you.